this exercise to improve your skills at maneuvering the aircraft in a tighter pattern while maintaining the same orientation. You will need 4 cones positioned in a straight line approximately 3 to 4 feet apart. Take off from the pad and ascend a few feet. While maintaining your forward orientation, serpentine around the cones, working your way around the last cone and back to the start. Make sure that the aircraft remains facing the same way throughout the exercise. Repeat the exercise several times and then land on the pad. For an additional challenge, repeat the exercise with the aircraft facing in a different direction, maintaining that orientation throughout the flight.